Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is big data. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys. If you're new, by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is big data? Big data refers to large and complex data sets that are difficult to process using traditional data processing applications. These data sets are characterized by their volume, huge amounts of data, velocity, rapid generation and processing speed, and variety different types of data, structured and unstructured. Big data is typically used to extract valuable insights and make data-driven decisions across various domains such as business, healthcare, finance, and more. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is data is all about. Big data is all about. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.